my name is Nejma Shabazz and welcome to Nejma Creations Natural Hair Edition. And today we will be doing my hair. We will be detangling my hair and I'll be showing you guys the easiest and the fastest way to detangle your hair, especially if you have thick hair like me. I'll show you how to get this done in a snippy. So stay with me if you would like to see my routine. Alright, hey guys, so basically what I'm starting off with is my spray bottle, and I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to make my hair more shinier. It'll help my hair detangle a lot faster, and it will retain moisture in my hair. So what I'm going to do is spray that with my hair, and I'm also going to have some Aussie moist conditioner, to help me detangle, and I couldn't forget a towel, of course. So I'm showing you guys the back of my hair, and I'm about to, just put my hair into 4 sections, because the smaller sections you work with is basically, the better results of your detangling. So I like to work in sections, and I like to section my sections out. Okay, so now I'm working with my first section, and what I'm going to do is, of course, section this out. So I'm going to spray a little bit of apple cider vinegar on it so my hair can become a little bit softer. The key to a good detangle is saturation. You want to make sure that your hair is completely saturated with, if you're just using regular water or apple cider vinegar, whatever you're using, you want to make sure your hair is completely saturated. That is also why conditioner helps a lot with this process, because it allows your fingers to just glide right through your hair. So now I'm sectioning my sections. And I'm going to just saturate this and some more. Like I said, the key to this is just saturation. So when I do add the conditioner, my hair can take to the conditioner and it won't just be sucking in all the product. So now I'm going to add some of the Aussie Moist conditioner to my hair, and we're going to start the detangling process. Now, finger detangling, all I'm doing is literally pulling I wouldn't say pulling, but detangling my sections strand by strand and separating them. That's a better word. Separating my strands slowly. So this leads to the best detangling because you won't shed as much from this, so you won't be pulling your hair out like you would if you were using a comb or brush, because if you had a comb and brush and you had a knot at the end of your hair, the comb or the brush will literally just pull straight through that knot. So when you're finger detangling, you have more time to look at the knot, inspect it, see if you can, separate it easily yourself without losing any hair, or, having to cut it centimeter of your hair off, which isn't nothing. I cut out my nails all the time because it's actually better that way than for me to pull it apart and have split ends. So I'm just making sure I keep going and just separating those strands one by one, piece by piece. So there really isn't much to it, guys. This is basically it, just separating the strands piece by piece and really just taking your time. I find this is the easiest and fastest way because one, I'm only using 3 products. I don't have to have a comb and brush, and it's just me spending time with my hair. So now I'm just twisting my hair up and making sure it stays out of the way. Now I'm going to repeating all of the same steps: spray bottle, conditioner, and detangle. If I would have taken with a brush, I would have lost 3 times as much hair. Alright guys, we are wrapping up this section and poof, one section is about to be done. Alright guys, now it's time for the back. I did one section and this is the last section and we are good to go. So I wanted to just show you what it looks like from a different angle. So this is the back of my hair and I'm doing everything the same way. I am slowly detangling, saturating, and making sure I add a really good amount of conditioner to make sure that my hair is coated throughout. And I just slowly detangle. Hey guys, so we are officially wrapping up the video, and I want to just show you guys what the twist looked like hanging down. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I did the front and I ate and came back. So the front might look a little bit more, drier than the back because the product did dry up a little bit, but it's okay and that is totally fine. And especially if you're looking for a pre-poo method, this is 100% the best way. So your hair won't get, really dried up from a shampoo. Because shampoo does take the natural oils out of your hair. Hey guys, thank you so much for sticking with me and watching me detangle my hair. I hope you guys have learned some tips and tricks and learned how to detangle your hair way faster. And basically, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you guys share this forward so some other girls, can get some tips and tricks, or guys. So thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye.